you are still finding it hard to solo on guitar, I just want to let you know that I have been there before, and there are a million guitarists out there that are still in the same position. I get it. It's tough to make your solo sound very smooth and confident, especially when you are just starting out as a beginner. But what if I told you that in just 10 minutes you could start soloing like a pro? Yep. Just 10 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how. All you have to do is to follow my lead and repeat after me. So if you're ready, let's dive right in and do this. So this is a chord progression. I would like to know what has been keeping you from understanding soloing. Like, what exactly is your problem? Let me know it in the comment section, because that's the only way we can address this issue. Like, a lot of you have the problem of soloing. So in the comment section, just let me know what you are struggling with. Is it the understanding or the implementation, so that we address that issue? So then you play da 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 da, right? Then you play da 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 da. 2, 3, and you play da 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 da. Alright, does that make sense? Let me go again. Then you play. Then you play. Two, three, then you play. Da 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 da. 2. Let me go. Then you play. Then I go another one. There you go. Again. Da, da, da. Let's go again. Then you play. There you go. Da 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 again. Then you play. Da 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 da. Then you play. Da 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 da. Then you play. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. We're going to try another pattern. Then you play do, re, mi. Then you play da 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 da. 2, 3, you play. Then I go again. 2, 3, you play. Da, 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 da. Again. You play. Da, 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 da. Then I go again. You play. Da, 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 da. 2 again. Let me play. You play. Da, 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 da. Another one. 2, 3, you play. Da, da, da. Again, I play. You play. I play. You play. I play. You play. Another one. You play. You play. Da, 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 da. All right, let's go to pentatonic. You play. Again. You play. Da, 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 da. Makes sense. Let's go again. Da, 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 da. Yeah, you go. Da, 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 da. Again. You play. Da, 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 da. Again. You play. Yeah, so I go again. You play. Da, 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 da. 2, play. You play. Do, re, mi, mi. Do, re, mi, mi. 2, 3, you play. Da, 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 da. Let me play. You play. Da, 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 da. You play. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Again. Yeah. Let's go. Good. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Again. Da, 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 da. So I believe with these videos you have been able to learn a little bit. These are some exercises. I believe your mind is already getting used to the concept of improvising. Soloing is simply improvising. In subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how you can solo. In fact, if you enjoyed this video, I have another video like this that talks about how to solo. It has over 10k views. I explain other concepts that will help you understand. I think you should check that video out because it's going to give you more understanding on how to understand how to solo, or how to play solo, what to play, what skills to use, and all those things. Check out this video here, and it's going to open your eyes to the whole concept of soloing more and more. So we're not just going to end here. I'm going to send you 2 tracks that you use to practice soloing. Practice them very well, because practice makes perfect, right? The more you practice, the better you become. We are not born with it. You will learn how to do it, and that's the essence of this video. Make sure you check for those practice tracks in the description below.